All right, everybody, what's up and good evening. I hope you're doing well. So I'm currently in a trade and I'm gonna see if we can make do with what we have here and try to come out with a win for this particular trade. So right now I am short a coin called MYX. To give context on the trade, the coin is trading at about $900 million for this 24 hours. In addition to that, the coin has relatively reasonable funding fee at about 0.167%. It's very low. It's like not even important, but it is expiring every hour instead of every like 8 hours. It's the usual. I'm gonna just change this here. There's I don't like that at all. The price line keeps changing. I don't like that. Okay, so perfect. So right now I'm down about 4,000 something. It's not really that bad of a trade in my opinion. It's like barely anything to even worry about. So yeah, I think this is going to be a very good coin to be winning on. I'm going to probably win a gigantic amount of this trade in my opinion. So let's talk about this trade and see how well it has been performing. So right now, we've actually hit here already. You can see that this is a pretty reasonable resistance. Had a big drop, and then it rallied, and then it did a 60% rally, and then it continued to the downside. I originally started shorting it, I'm not going to lie, guys, started shorting it around there. And then when I was shorting it over here, it spiked up there, right? It spiked up 10%. I was down $5,000 right away. And then I was only in a 40K position though, okay? Because I thought it was going to break the kernel. So this is the kernel, the green line. It's like a super chart indicator. I thought it was going to break, but it didn't break. It went up instead. So because I believe that we're eventually gonna get to that green line, I'm pretty sure of it, right? That green line we're gonna get to. Once we get there, it's probably gonna end up breaking down. So my entry is at 1200. So basically 1200, like right around here somewhere. Okay, so it's really not that far off. Very, very close. I'm only down by about 2% right now. And if I actually did catch the top, it's gonna rip down. It's gonna rip extremely hard to the downside and probably caught the top sometime very, very soon, if not already. So I'm in it for 134K. I think it's gonna drop a very large amount. In fact, I'm gonna get my position a little bit bigger right now to about let's mark. Yeah, I like how they added the chase feature here. See the chase? The chase is really nice because then it just keeps chasing it to put it behind that last price. I think 200,000 is a little bit too much for me to be in. So I'm not going to go into a 200K short. Now let's do an Elliot wave count. Elliot wave is complicated here in my opinion. Extremely, extremely complicated. So if I had to count it, I'd probably say that this is like a 1 somewhere, a 2. And then I would say this is like a 3. And this is the 4, and that's now the 5. Because the third can be broken down, right? It can be really, really broken down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to make the big 4 down. And then it finishes up there, right? It finishes just like that. So I think that that's definitely the count. It looks proper, right? It looks like the third wave was easy to break down. If you take a look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this has to be the third subwave. This is probably the 5th subwave in here, right? The 5th is somewhere in there, or maybe the 4 finished right there like that, and then that finished the 5. And then now we're basically just finishing up the very last subwave. 3, 4, and probably a 5. Not only that, if you zoom out, you can see that this is beautiful right here, okay? Right there. If you guys haven't taken my courses yet, I highly recommend that you guys take it. Go to my website or go to my Twitter, take a look at the link here where it says bio.site, or just look in the description of this YouTube video. You guys can learn all of my strategies. I am on a massive win streak right now. I recommend taking both of my courses right here, okay? If you guys want to DM me for a package deal to get both, you can. The course version 3.0 is the beginner to intermediate course. It's good for like if you're a beginner or close to intermediate. But if you go to the next one, the art of scalping, this is the strategies I use the most. And this is an advanced course, okay? So just check it out. You guys are going to get an idea exactly of what it is, okay? Right now, they like the this one here, the course version 3.0, it's 750, and it comes with my lifetime Discord membership in the elite tier. Okay, and the Art of Scalping one, it's just sold as a standalone. This one here is $350. Okay, so this is a really good course. So 350 for this guy. Trust me, you guys are gonna love it. You're gonna learn so like a ridiculous amount. I'll show you guys my win streak right now, okay? So I'll show you guys my win streak right now. I just uploaded it. 1 second. Oh no, I can't play it on there because of the VPN issue. Fuck me. 1 sec. So I just sent myself this on WhatsApp. This is my last few wins. Like, I'm not gonna go too far back, but you get the idea. So just my first one there. Take a look. 3,800. Like, it just keeps going, right? It doesn't stop. I had to put in the monthly here, not the weekly only. So just to show you some of my trades, I'm not gonna show all of them. Just so you can see crazy win streaks. Like, you can't even lie about this. You know, like, there's just crazy win streaks. Like, just winning every single trade without losing any, you know? Yeah, that's how it goes, guys. It's pretty wild, my win streaks when I go on them and I catch them. So insane. This is probably the top. I'm pretty confident that this is now the top. I think it's at the top. I think it's definitely reached the top here. Like probably like this. I'm gonna guess like something like that. Oops. No, not that one. There. Like that. I think this is the 5th wave, guys. I'm gonna even tell my Discord. I think the 5th wave is in. Yeah, give me a second. I'm just telling Discord. You guys see my cat? She wanted to come help. I'll show you guys my cat. Hi, Peanut. You're a beautiful girl. What are you doing here, huh? You want to help your dad? Alrighty, I'm in my underwear right now. Boxers at home. Yeah, that's your dad. He's got to work to make sure he feeds you. Isn't she a beautiful cat? Like, cats don't get more beautiful than that. Right? Right, baby? She is adorable. She's a munchkin. Like, how cute is she? One of the cutest cats I've ever seen. But I can't leave her in here for long because she's going to end up taking over my monitors. So, yeah. Yeah, I think it's in, like, for the 5th wave here. I mean, I'm not in that bad of a position. 3,400 down. So, you know, I think it's definitely in. I think this is the count. 1, 2. I think this is the 3, the 4, and that's the 5. I think that's the count. I think that's the count. I'm gonna start DCing in. I'm gonna tell the group. I'm already in it, but I want them to start DCing in. So, yeah, we'll give it some time, see how it goes. Okay, this video is only for the Platinum group, the detailed one. It's too late for me to stream right now, guys. I was about to go to bed, but I decided not to yet. So this is my position. I'm in it for $150,000, short on MYX. I'm down about 3K. Okay, so I started shorting it early, actually, accidentally. Over here, I thought it was the 5th wave. But then I realized that that was only the 3rd wave, and the 4th wave finished, and they pushed into a 5th. So this is most likely the count. If not, there's going to be like one more, maybe like another double top or something, but I don't think it's going to be massive. This is a big resistance, like right around here, it's a big resistance. Maybe we'll go to like 135 maximum. I'm talking like another like 10%, and then we drop significantly. So there might be a little bit of pain I have to go through. The count is pretty clear, right? The count is very clear. On the 3rd wave is the most important. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to make the 4. This is probably an A, B, C, I'm gonna guess. And then this finishes off the 5. So that's the third wave that finishes. And you can see that the fifth wave is probably done already. It probably truncated in a double top up here. Like here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's probably the fifth. So I think it's done. I think it's done already. I've been DCing extremely hard. I have another $100,000 to add to my position. I think I'm going to win this trade guaranteed. The 15-minute kernel is the main kernel. That breaks, you win. Guaranteed, okay? 15-minute kernel. This coin has now rallied about 146%, so we're pretty much catching a top. Very good volume. Funding fee is non-existent, really. It's nothing significant. So this is a good coin, guys. I would strongly recommend to get in it if you're not already. Alrighty, guys. I won the trade. I'm already up $1,400. So this was a very good coin to be trading. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. So, wow. I'm up 1,000 right now. So it's doing pretty good. I sent a screenshot to my girlfriend earlier telling her I was down so much. And now I'm up a lot. Pretty funny. She was like, I'll stay up with you, baby. You can trade it. That's okay. You go to sleep. So this is a really good entry, right? Oh my God. We just nailed that entry. What a phenomenal trade to have taken. So now, like, it fell back into the channel, right? There was like kind of a channel earlier. I'll show you what I mean. Like right around here, there was a channel. And, you know, like kind of like that, right? Like, kind of something like that, kind of. Do you see it? Like not that it's not the best one, but it was something like that, right? And now it fell back in here. So I'm very happy that it did that, because now like the chance to win this trade is now pretty much guaranteed, right? It's not possible for me to lose this trade anymore, I don't think. It's so volatile though, right? It's so incredibly volatile. This here is like is a 3% move in 1 minute. Like 1 minute, 3%. So it's so volatile. You got to be very careful. The 15-minute kernel got hit just now. 15-minute kernel is being attacked. Yeah, it's being attacked for sure. I think it's gonna break soon. I'm just updating my leads here. So we're just basically waiting for this one break. Once it breaks, it's gonna be catastrophic. I think there's a little support trend line like that, right? You can kind of draw it like that right now. I think when that breaks, it's gonna be a very beautiful drop, and it's also gonna be very, very clear. So it's just a matter of riding it now and waiting to see how this plays out. I think the Elliot wave count holds true. I think it's just a matter of time, honestly, really. So a big part of my success for this trade, I know I haven't taken the profits yet, but it will most likely become like a very large trade. You know, it's going to be great. I've been doing very, very well. My girlfriend's out of town. She's been out of town for almost a month now, actually, because she had to go back home to renew her visa. Hopefully she'll be back with a 1-year permit to stay here. That'll be very good, so we don't have to worry about, you know, long distance relationship can be hard, right? Because of visa issues and stuff like that. But I've been doing very well since she's been gone. Well, I always do well, right? But it's been a very profitable few little bit. So let's see if this is going to break down now. I would like for it to maybe make one more attempt, you know, one more push. I just hope it doesn't go parabolic, you know, like it's gone parabolic already. But the last thing I want is for it to go, you know, even more. That would be disastrous. But you're seeing, you know, you're seeing this. You're seeing the bearishly diverging RSI. See that? 100% you're seeing that. So it's now making a lower low for the RSI on the 45-minute time frame, lower high on the 30-minute time frame. So you can just kind of tell that the third wave is somewhere like probably right there, like maybe there, maybe not. Maybe they'll make one more. Like that's a possibility, right? But I don't think it will, to be honest. Yeah, We'll give it some time. We've analyzed it, right? We know the 15-minute kernel is the one that needs to pop. Once it pops down, it's going to be a super profitable trade. I'm excited for it. Okay, updated my position. It's kind of like on and off, up and down. Right now I'm down about $916. So definitely down a little bit. Nothing too crazy though. Like it's not really, it's not a big amount that's down. You know what I mean? It's very reasonable for me to manage. So I'm not really that worried about anything like this right now. I think it's going to be a very, very big win. So yeah, it's just going to be a matter of time. Oh, I can't do that. I think this is the best I can do. Yeah, this size is good. Yeah, this is the best size I can make it. Okay, so looking at it, entry is 12045, kind of right in the middle of the pack. It is making lower highs right now. See the lower high? But I don't know if it's going to maintain. It might just break up one more time to the top. The 15-minute kernel is definitely holding. 1, 2, 3, 4 15-minute candles now. So for 1 hour, it's held. Don't know if that's good or bad. Right? We'll see soon though. This trend line's beautiful. This white one there on the bottom. If it breaks, it's gonna fly down. So on the 45-minute time frame, like it looks like it's heading down. On the 30-minute, it's just about to cross over on the MACD. So this is looking really, really good in my opinion for a very large drop right away coming down. I think it's just a matter of time until I make some serious money on this coin. Right? Notice how the trend line looks so bad on the 30-minute time frame like that, but if I go to a 5-minute, it looks so much better. See? It's all about perspective, right? Sometimes it looks bad like that. I don't like that. The best way to draw the trend line would be to acknowledge the kernel. So I'm going to acknowledge it with the kernel, like right around there, right? So that's a really good way to draw it. I think that this made a channel earlier, like that, and then it just kind of popped up, and then it just bear trapped up or bull trapped up there. So I wouldn't be surprised if one more wave went to the upside, but at the same time, I'm not going to be worried either. So I think it's going to go either way. It's going to hit the top, or it's just going to smash down. I'm telling you guys, man, if you have not taken my course yet, you guys gotta check it out, man. I'm serious. Check out my course. Just take a look at the link below. If you guys want a package deal for both of them, so you take the course version 3.0 and you take the art of scalping, and then you also get into my elite group, let's do it, man. You guys are going to be so happy you studied my material if you haven't learned it yet. Alrighty, guys. It's catastrophically dropping to the downside right now. I'm up like $8,000. This is crazy. Wow, this is insane. You guys see that? I'm up so much on this trade. Yo, this is awesome. Okay, so this coin is just a catastrophic drop to the downside. I didn't quite make that much on it because I didn't catch the tip of it, but it's still a very, very good trade right now. I'm up $5,000. I'm gonna close my position entirely. Yeah, I'm gonna close it right now, right here. So I'm gonna chase the trade now. Try to get it closed. But it's very, very hard. There, boom. Closed it for how much? Let's see here. Oh, Jesus Christ. $4,764. I'm done, guys. I'm done today. That's so wild, this trade. Wow. And that's it, man. I'm telling you guys got to go to my website, take a look at the link below, join, take my courses, guys, get in my Discord group. You're going to get signals like this. Okay, you're going to get signals like this. I told everybody, man, I think the fifth wave is in. It's going to break soon. If you're in the platinum group, right, I said this is the update for the platinum tier only. Usually I would live stream with them. I tell them I'm in for 150K. I tell them I'm going to start DCing. Everybody knows my position every single time. Bam! Let's go!